I said I have a glossy box for you guys, and this is like a special edition one. Look at the cute little bag it came in. This is the FLATLAY Co. London times glossy box. And this little bag is super cute. I love the fact that it has the little handle on the top. And we're gonna go ahead and zip this baby open. Once it opens, this is what it looks like. So you could use this as a makeup bag, or a travel bag for you know, any kind of toiletries or stuff like that. I'm always thinking about traveling. Traveling is always on my mind, always. Okay, let's go ahead and see what is in here. I didn't get any kind of card or anything, so I don't have price points, but we're just gonna go with it. First thing is a white box. No, I'm just kidding. It just says Yuzu on the top. Oh, it's a perfume. Ooh, oh my God. Look at that. That looks really nice. It's called Yuzu. I've never heard of this brand. It says Soli Notes Paris. Oh my God. This is my kind of scent. It's very citrusy, just very summery, springy. Oh, yes. Yes. My jam. This is my type of jam. I like this. So really, really nice. I'm not sure how much this costs. Like I said, I didn't get a little card in here. I'm not sure the price points. Next in here is the Sunset Rituals Signature Conditioner. This is by the brand Vor, and it just kind of gives you instructions. It doesn't really say what it does, but it seems like it's a hair conditioner. I will be testing this puppy out, and I love these travel sizes because more deluxe sizes like this really are really nice to travel with, and I really use them up when I go on travel. Next thing is the Nudestix Nudies. This is an all over face blush color, and this is in the shade Naughty and Spice. That is a very beautiful neutral shade. It's like a beautiful everyday pink. I love those kind of old rose pink shades, and that'll look beautiful all over the face. Let's see what else is in here. Next up is the Moon Dust Hair Wash Mini. Really curious packaging. Never heard of this brand as well. It says, oh, it's a powder. It's a powder to lather shampoo for everyday use. I have never used a powder shampoo. Let me know your thoughts below, but I'm down to try it. I'm down to see what that's like. Next thing in here is the Borghese Roma, and this is a Crema Ristorvio 24. That was just really bad Italian there. And it basically is a said morning or evening smooth over, thoroughly cleansed toned skin for your face and neck. And it seems to be a moisturizer. I know it looks expensive. It looks like an expensive brand. Let me know if you guys know. I'll probably look into it. Next thing in here is the Boscia Cryo C Firming Icy Cold Cleanser. I really like Boscia's, hopefully I'm not butchering their name, Boscia's skincare stuff. I have tried a few of their products and really, really nice. It says just a gentle cleanser. And yeah, apparently it's like an icy cold feeling to the skin. Really nice little deluxe size. Next thing in here is a little oil. So this is, oh, this is an aromatherapy revive morning bath and shower oil. I have been dying to try like a shower oil, so this came at the perfect time. And it just has more of that like natural almondy oil smell. I'm definitely going to try this out because I was actually looking into testing out or buying a shower oil just to kind of really hydrate my skin. As you get older, your skin just really needs hydration. It just craves it, not only from the inside, but on the outside as well. Next, I see two big boxes, which seem to be the last two things in here. And the first thing is the Volition Mineral Prismatic Luminizing Shield SPF 35. Can't wait to test this out. I am all about SPF. I use SPF like nobody's business on the daily underneath my makeup every day. Even if I don't wear makeup, SPF is going all over my body. You got to take care of your skin from the sun. The sun is the #1 thing that is going to age you. Take care of your skin. People just be laying out. Don't do that. Don't do that to your skin. And take care of it. Ooh, she looks fancy. I like the fact that it says luminous And it does have the expiration date on there, which is nice. Ooh, okay, I probably should have shaken that up. But that's what it looks like. It's super kind of creamy. I can already tell it has a white cast, so this might be something that I wear more on like beach days or out. I probably wouldn't wear this underneath makeup because of the white cast. I like to go for something that doesn't have a white cast, and I've been testing out so many SPFs. I already have a favorite SPF of ones that I have tried coming soon, but I've added a few since then. And I can keep updating you guys, because SPF is something that I will continuously buy and use. Oh, I like the fact that it doesn't have that really strong SPF smell to it. It doesn't have any kind of scent whatsoever, which is really, really nice. And it does give a little bit of luminosity. So I could probably use this underneath like foundations that are a little bit too dark for me to lighten them up or mix them in. But it's cruelty-free, clean, vegan, reef safe, which is very important to keep our oceans safe. And it has an SPF of 35. It says it's weightless, reef safe, non-nano mineral screen, flawless pearl finish for inviolable radiance, dual purpose base product, skin alone or under makeup, and it has a light neutral scent. To be honest, I don't smell anything whatsoever, but excited to try and add that to my SPF collection. And the last thing in here is the makeup removing cloth. I sadly don't really use this. This is from the Vintage Cosmetics. This is really nice for someone who is eco-friendly and bio-friendly. Not to say that I'm not, but seriously, I rather just take it off in the shower. I do a double cleanse where I use a balm and then I use another cleanser afterwards. I have tried using these and sadly this just does not work for me. I just feel like I'm scraping at my skin, and because my skin is more on the drier side, I just feel like this really irritates it. I have tried other brands as well that are really popular for removing makeup that are these like eco-friendly cloths, but sadly it just ain't for me, babe. It's just not. And that is everything that came in this collaboration with GLOSSYBOX. And like I said, the company is the FLATLAY Co. London, and they did a collaboration with GLOSSYBOX. I love when they do collabs like this, because like the female, I just did a few weeks ago, like the female founder one. I love when they do like themed boxes like that, just because you really see a specific type of brand or more of a different company and what they sell. So really enjoy that. Let me know your thoughts on this one. I have to say this one is a winner to me, between the SPF, the little bit of makeup, a lot of skincare and hair care, body care, the perfume. I'm excited to add this to my collection because I love me a good citrus scent. Let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you ain't subscribed, hit that red button. If you're not following me on social media, you can by following the links down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.